Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and today in this video we are going to use a Microsoft Whiteboard in this Firebolt smartwatch. Actually this is an Android OS based smartwatch, guys. Okay, let's first we need to install a Microsoft Whiteboard. For that, go to Play Store, Google Play Store, and then type you can see I already typed a Whiteboard. Even you can type a Microsoft Whiteboard itself directly. Just I'm typing a Microsoft Microsoft. Actually this screen is very tiny, guys. Here you can see it came Microsoft Whiteboard. Here you can see here is the Microsoft Whiteboard, guys. Just click to install it up. It's installing. Just please wait for a few moments. And guys, finally we have installed this app in this watch. Now it's time to launch. Let's click to open, and here you can see it's loading. Yeah, okay, you need to sign in with your account, guys, with your email ID. Just I'm going to sign in. Okay, I have completed my sign in, guys. Okay, let's click go after studying this privacies. Okay, let's go. Okay, it's loading, and here you can see, guys, there is no issues. It's perfectly fitted in the screen, guys. You can see actually the Microsoft Whiteboard is my favorite app because for my project ideas, just I will take some notes. I will take some sticky notes in this Microsoft Whiteboard only. Yeah, even there is some reactions also available. That is the most favorite feature for me. Yeah, okay, anyway, we have finally installed and we have signed in, and now we have entered inside this app. You can see this is the whiteboard. Just for example, I'm going to create one new whiteboard. Just click on whiteboard. You can see it's loading the new whiteboard. You can take some notes by using this whiteboard too, guys. And here you can see, just click on add. Here is a lot of different options were there, guys. Like there is a different designs were there also, like ink, text, notes, shapes, images, reactions, and all. You can select any features. Like for example, I'm going to take a notes. You can see the pad is open, notepad. Just you need to type and enter it here. Just for example, I am entering my channel name. Just a demo only, guys. Okay, you can add some reactions emojis also, guys, in this. Just entering this emoji. You can change color also in this smartwatch itself. Like guys, okay, finally I have completed. You can see. Okay, just we need to keep saved. Okay, just come back. Oops, just click this setting options. It is located in top right. Just click on it, and here you can see there's a share option is also there. You can share this whiteboard also, guys. And okay, likewise you can use this whiteboard in this smartwatch itself, guys. There is no issues, there is no lag also. You can see it's working very fine. And okay, guys, regarding this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys. And okay, guys, bye. I will see you in next video. Bye.